Hey my friends, Sealy Clark here, coming to you with video number 14 of the Simple Success series, showing you how to shorten your learning curve and take you towards success online regardless of what business you are promoting. Today I'm going to be taking a step back. I told you that Leased Ad Space is one of the best values you can find, either hopping on as a free member and utilizing the instant online presence of your blog and your ad board posts, or if you want to huck out $7, you can have a solo ad every 28 days, and you can have banner ads and text ads. Those are finite on the lower levels, just so you know, full disclosure, but you have banner ads, text ads. The solo is permanent. That goes out to everybody in the Leased Ad Space database that has signed up to read solos, as well as catching residual traffic from the search engines, because every time you post a solo or other content, Leased Ad Space grows by a page. Search engines love that. You get traffic. So anyhow, moving on, this site is so big, I'm doing this piece by piece for you. So this is not the last Leased Ad Space video you will see. I am going to show you how to send a solo if you are at least a Pearl member, which is a $7 package, yet again. So here we go. You're going to log into Leased Ad Space. This is a dashboard. When in doubt, if it looks different, hit dashboard once you're logged in. There it is. You're going to hit that drop down menu again. Just click on it. Go down to send solo email. Going to go back here, get some ad copy. This is Referral Frenzy, another tool I use. This is where I store a lot of my emails, so I can just copy and paste. You can also do this on a text document on your computer, or you can put it into a file on your Gmail, because Gmail will save it in drafts for you. I suggest that you do any of those. Okay, I'm going to go over this ad in a minute as well, give you a little bit of knowledge bomb on how to do a pretty good email. Now I'm using a tracking link from the Conversion Pros, good tracking service among many other things that it offers. You do not have to use a tracking link. I would always advise you use a lead capture page though. Tracking links are pretty much for when you are hitting your ads with a paid ad source, such as a solo ad or pay-per-click or whatever paid advertising you're using. You want to keep track and make sure they are delivering their traffic they should be. I'm putting this in here out of habit. I know Leased Ad Space works, and I'm going to show you exactly about that in a minute. Now, your headline should be catchy. Super simple, works for anyone regardless of past experience. Okay, so that qualifies most people looking at it. They're like, huh. And then you come in here and you say, we created this simple system where anyone can have success regardless of the past experience. You want to reiterate what the headline says. It doesn't have to be exactly the same. This one's pretty close to the same. And it'll show them what the benefits are for them, which we will teach you how to make X amount a day, step by step. So you're verifying the fact that they can earn. You're verifying that you take them through step by step and anyone can follow it. So that's pretty much it. You want something that's eye-catching for a headline, really engaging for the ad copy here. Whatever you're using for a system, do you have done for your lead capture pages like we have in your 8 steps or now lifestyle? I suggest you use those and model your ad copy after those. Now you're going to go up here. You can add this link I have here. You can add it to the ad body as if you have at least the $7 package. Little bit of a tip on the $7 package. What this also allows you to do is it allows you to make your links in your blog clickable. As a free member, you still have, access to your blog. You blog to your heart's content, and your links won't be clickable. You'll have to prompt somebody to copy and paste the link off of your blog post. Now, but once you get even the smallest paid package, those are clickable. And what I did here is I just put in this code. There's code in the upper right hand corner. You can put people's first name, their last name, or you can put a link to your link, of course, and it shows you hashtag, hashtag, capital letters link, hashtag, hashtag. So not only will they see it here, it'll be connected to it, but people that are used to reading emails with the links already in them, they'll also see one there for their benefit. Now I'm going to hit send. My ad looks good. Okay, and I'm going to show you exactly what I was talking about how this creates a separate page. Not only does it create on your solos, on your page, it also goes to the ad blog, which is different than the ad board, as you can see, two separate entities. Okay, now it says your solo ad blast has been sent. I'll bring you down here, going down to the solo ads. Banner ads, solo emails. Okay. My last email, my last solo ad that I sent, okay. Excuse me. Opens 58. 22 people out of the 58 clicked on it. And also, this right here, 14 blog views. Now, what they're talking about is not your personal blog. They're talking about the ad blog, which is where this goes after you post your solo. Your solo goes to everyone in the Leased Ad Space database that is signed up to read solos, which we'll touch upon later, how and why you do that, how and why they do that, and the value. And it also goes to the ad blog, which I'm going to show you right now. There is somebody just posted, and I also just posted right here, and as you can see, super simple, works for anyone regardless of past experience, posted on January 20th. Okay, and that's me. And so this is a separate page. This is additional content right here, and so is this lady or gentleman's and everybody else. So every time you create something, this is separate. You get residual traffic. The ad blog gets noticed by the search engines, so you get traffic many, many ways. That's it for now, kids. It is 7 minutes and 30 seconds. I appreciate you taking the time. Please stick around. If you're watching this from my blog, subscribe to my blog. If you're on my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, get in contact with me. My contact details are somewhere around this video. Don't be shy, reach out, and until next time I talk to you, have a great day.